If you're running a business or managing a team, you've probably come across Slack, ClickUp, and GoHighLevel. They all promise to improve communication, collaboration, and productivity, but they are built for very different purposes. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Slack versus ClickUp versus GoHighLevel. We'll be looking at how they work, who they're for, and which one is best for your team. And if you would like to try out ClickUp or GoHighLevel, I've included links in the description and pinned comment which will allow you to test them out for completely free, and it will help to support the channel at no additional cost to you. Now let's dive in. What is Slack? Slack is one of the world's most popular team communication platforms. It's designed to replace email with real-time chat and channels so your team can talk, share files, and stay connected instantly. With Slack, you'll be able to create channels for projects or departments, send direct messages, voice clips, or video calls. You'll also be able to integrate tools like Google Drive, Asana, and Zoom. Use Slack bots to automate reminders or updates. Slack's main focus is communication and collaboration. It's the digital office chat room used by millions of remote teams worldwide. Now, what is ClickUp? ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity and project management platform. It combines tasks, chat, docs, goals, dashboards, and automations in one place, basically replacing a stack of tools like Trello, Notion, and Asana. With ClickUp, you can use it to manage projects with lists, boards, or timelines, assign tasks and deadlines to team members, collaborate in real time with built-in chat and document sharing, track progress through reports and dashboards. ClickUp's goal is to centralize everything your team works on. Think projects, communication, and documentation under one roof. And what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel or GHL is a CRM and marketing automation platform built for agencies, service providers, and entrepreneurs. It helps you manage leads, clients, and sales pipelines, create automated email, SMS, and funnel campaigns, build websites, booking systems, and membership sites, chat with customers through inbox, calls, and automations. GoHighLevel is less about internal communication and more about client management and revenue generation. It's designed for marketing agencies, freelancers, and businesses that want to automate their entire customer journey. Now, let's talk about some core differences of these platforms. So, first, Slack. Slack helps your team communicate, while ClickUp, on the other hand, helps with team organization and execute. And GoHighLevel helps your business automate and grow. So, while Slack and ClickUp focuses on internal collaboration, GoHighLevel focuses on client communication and business automation. So if your team needs better internal chat, Slack would be a good fit for it. If your team needs a project management hub, this is where ClickUp wins. And if your team needs CRM and marketing automation, GoHighLevel is unmatched. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, Slack is the easiest to set up. You can create a workspace, invite your team, and start chatting instantly. It's intuitive and ideal for remote teams that want quick updates instead of long email trends, while ClickUp takes a little more setup time because it combines tasks, chat, and workflows. Once customized, though, it becomes the ultimate productivity hub, especially for agencies, teachers, and digital creators. GoHighLevel has the steepest learning curve, but the highest return. It's a full CRM, website builder, funnel creator, and automation engine. So you'll need to learn it step by step. In short, Slack offers a fast setup, ClickUp moderate setup, and GoHighLevel deep setup but big rewards. And if we were to compare them via communication and collaboration, this is where Slack excels at real-time messaging. You can tag teammates, use threads, share files, and even integrate ClickUp directly into Slack to update tasks without leaving the chat. ClickUp, on the other hand, includes built-in chat and comments, so you can discuss tasks directly inside projects, No need to jump between tools. This makes communication more contextual since discussions stay tied to actual work. GoHighLevel on the other hand GoHighLevel on the other hand focuses on communication with clients, not teammates. It has a central inbox for SMS, email, and calls, which is perfect for managing leads and customers, but it's not built for team discussions like Slack. So, Slack, team conversation, ClickUp, project-based collaboration, and GoHighLevel client communication. And if we were to quickly compare them via features and workflow, Slack is primarily chat-based with integration for task apps, while ClickUp blends chat, tasks, goals, docs, and automations, your full internal workspace. GoHighLevel takes it further. CRM, funnels, email, text automation, appointment booking, websites, and more. You can even use Slack, ClickUp, and GoHighLevel together. Slack for daily communication, ClickUp for managing projects, and GoHighLevel for managing clients and automations. Many agencies actually do this combo successfully. And if we were to look at the pricing of these platforms, starting with Slack, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $8.75 and it can go up to $18. And with ClickUp, you can also use it for completely free, as their free forever plan offers a lot of features as you can see right here, and their paid plan begins at $10 and it can go up to $19. With GoHighLevel, you can test it out for free also, and their paid plan begins at $97 and it can go up to $297 a month. So Slack and ClickUp are the most affordable for small teams, while GoHighLevel on the other hand costs more but replace multiple tools. As with GoHighLevel, you'll be able to replace CRM, email marketing, landing pages, and automations, as you'll get all of that built in with GoHighLevel. With this information on hand, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Slack if you want a centralized workspace for tasks, docs, and chat, and you manage projects or clients regularly, and you prefer one platform to organize everything. While on the other hand, I would recommend you go with ClickUp if you want a centralized workspace for tasks, docs, and chat, and you manage projects or clients regularly, and you prefer one platform to organize everything. Choose Slack if you need fast internal communication and your team already uses other project management tools and you want something simple and intuitive. And I would recommend you choose ClickUp if you want a centralized workspace for tasks, docs, and chat, and you manage projects or clients regularly, and you prefer one platform to organize everything. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend you go with GoHighLevel if you run a marketing agency or service-based business and you need CRM, automations, and funnels feature, and you want to scale your client communication and sales systems. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.